sometimes, as long as there's a sign that they put there, then we will go according to the
Straight here.
So we're gonna take the fifth exit.
Fifth exit.
As we are approaching the roundabout, there is a warning sign that is telling us there is a roundabout ahead of us in 160 yards. Fab, it's amazing. You have to think for a second, isn't it?
Yeah, so fifth exit here. Okay.
I like that.
Okay, it's a broken line. I'll just see whether I have a
Check all three mirrors before entering the roundabout.
So I should be in my